In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your site more visible on Google search in 2026. We'll start by checking whether your website is already indexed. Open Google and search for siteyourwebsite.com, replacing that with your real domain. If pages from your site appear in the results, that means Google has already indexed at least some of your content. This is a quick and simple way to see where you stand before making improvements. Next, set up Google Search Console and verify ownership of your website. This is one of the most important tools for SEO because it helps you monitor search performance, identify indexing issues, submit sitemaps, and keep an eye on keyword rankings. If you want clear visibility into how Google sees your site, this is essential. After that, generate an XML sitemap and submit it in Google Search Console. A sitemap helps Google discover new pages, crawl your site more efficiently, and pick up updates faster. It's especially useful if your site is growing or changes regularly. Now move into keyword research. The goal here is to find the terms your audience is actually searching for. Focus on high intent keywords, long tail phrases, and terms with low to medium competition. For example, instead of targeting something broad like fitness, a more specific phrase like best home workout routine for beginners gives you a better chance to rank and attract the right visitors. Once you know your keywords, optimize your page titles. Include your main keyword near the beginning, keep titles under 60 characters when possible, and make them compelling enough to earn clicks. Then write stronger meta descriptions that clearly explain what the page offers and encourage people to visit. From there, focus on publishing high-quality content that solves problems, answers questions, provides value, and stays updated over time. Tutorials, guides, reviews, case studies, and comparison articles all work well when they're genuinely useful. You'll also want to improve technical and user-focused elements. Speed up your website by optimizing images, hosting, caching, unused scripts, and CSS or JavaScript files. Make sure your site is mobile-friendly with responsive design, readable text, fast loading, and simple navigation. Use internal links to connect related pages, helping both visitors and search engines understand your site structure. Build quality backlinks through guest posting, resource pages, partnerships, shareable content, and digital PR. Optimize every image with descriptive file names, alt text, compressed file sizes, and modern formats like WebP. Add schema markup such as article, FAQ, product review, or local business schema to help search engines better understand your content. Finally, keep updating older content, improve user experience with clean layouts and minimal pop-ups, track performance with Google Analytics and Search Console, and publish consistently. Weekly publishing, monthly updates, and building authority in your niche can make a big difference over time.